Good Monday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazurek visiting with Ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet. Chris, kind of a warmer start, which going to be kind of a warmer week this week.
Yeah, Joe, we're going to see temperatures at least the next couple of days and probably all the way into the weekend be in the 80s. And also these next couple of days, we could be talking upper 80s, maybe even hitting 90 degrees. And that'll be dependent on how humid and dry this air is over the area. So out there this morning, we do have drier air out in Colorado that is with a westerly wind that looks like it'll work its way into Kansas by midday and then this afternoon. So what we're talking about is out there in northeast Colorado, there is some dew points that are in the 40s in Akron. Then you got 55 when you get over to Ray, 59 into Burlington, and as you cross into Kansas, you got some 60s up there around Oberlin, McCook, Norton, and Hill City. So as we see the day goes on, we're expecting these northwesterly winds to the west of Highway 25 to bring pulling that drier air into the area, and that'll set up a dry line and working its way a little bit east between 25 and 83 this afternoon. What that could do is trigger some isolated storms to pop up during the afternoon, evening hours if the atmosphere is not capped with that drier air coming in. Right now, it looks like it's a small chance that places to the east, particularly there in that Oberlin, McCook, Norton, Hill City area, could see some afternoon storms pop up. The rest of us looks like it'll be dry. We're going to call for highs in the upper 80s, maybe tipping that 90 degrees, probably upper 80s to the east. If we're going to see a 90, it's going to be out there with that drier air. Also, that'll be the setup for tomorrow. It's going to be a little bit different in the fact that high pressure ridge will amplify and come right over Kansas, and then you're going to see some southeasterly winds with an open gulf pull in moisture and humidity. And so we're going to see upper 80s tomorrow, maybe the humidity coming in even more with the southeasterly winds. And then we got chances for rain tomorrow night and evening as a disturbance comes through and that humidity is working back into the area. That looks like a pretty good shot for rain. There is potentially some severe weather and heavy rain south of I-70 with that system. You get to Wednesday, Thursday, that it's going to be humid. Temperatures are going to be right around that 85 degrees. The winds will continue from the southeast at 10 to 20. Isolated chances for the storms in the afternoon and evening. But then we got to wait till Friday and the weekend when that upper level low out west comes over the Rockies, flattens the ridge. Then our chances for rain look pretty good Friday night, Saturday evening, Sunday evening, and temperatures coming back down closer to the upper 70s and lower 80s. And in our overnight low temperatures in those lower to mid 50s. So upper 50s, low 60s, humidity rest of this week, and cooler weather for the weekend. And then it does look like more of an active pattern for the third week of the month. And the rain chances continue, and temperatures will be in the upper 70s and lower 80s.
Okay, once again, that's Ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet for 106.1 KYVZ. I'm Joe Vazurek.